Firstly, I'd like to state a couple of facts, sir. Sir, with respect to sewerage treatment and with respect to solid waste management, sir, in municipal administration and waste management, there are two important aspects. One is solid waste management and two is liquid waste management. In solid waste management, sir, I'm proud to say this. Hyderabad today, in fact, is one of those rare cities where 100% of the solid waste that is generated is processed and we are able to almost treat nearly 5,500 metric tons of solid waste, unlike any other city in India, sir. So that's the first thing I wanted to state for my learned friends in the house, sir. Rendo, sir. Secondly, with respect to liquid waste management, let me also state this and let me be on record, sir. Sir, today, if you look at other cities in India, you look at Delhi, you look at Mumbai, two big cities, one is the financial capital, another is the political capital, administrative capital of India. So Delhi's wastewater treatment capacity is only 30%, sir. 30% of the waste, liquid waste, sewerage generated in Delhi is being treated. When it comes to Mumbai, sir, Mumbai's treatment capacity of sewerage is only 26%, sir. But fortunately, Mumbai has marine outflow, तो वो लोग पूरा समुद्र में छोड़ देते हैं, वो अलग बात है. But sir, once again, we have to appreciate the officials when they do good work, sir. Sir, today Hyderabad is a city which has almost 40.3% of treatment, sir. Unlike any other city again in India, we have possibly one of the highest treatments when it comes to sewerage. Will I be happy relatively? No. I'm not a person who will be happy relatively क्योंकि हम लोग दिल्ली से बेहतर है, मुंबई से बेहतर है, इस बात से खुश हम नहीं हैं. हम जरूर अकबर साहब ने जो कहा, उस बात से हम भी वाकिफ है और बिल्कुल उनसे सहमत भी है कि और करना चाहिए और अच्छा भी करना चाहिए. इसीलिए हमने एंगेज किया शाह कंसल्टेंट्स को. They are going to submit a report in December 2019, sir, within a couple of months. And I'd be more than happy to share that report with all my friends, all my colleague legislators from Hyderabad and GHMC, sir, and within, in fact, outer ring road limits, since HMWS's limits have been extended to cover entire ORR, I'd be happy to share that report also with all my learned friends, sir. So now with respect to the capacity of treatment plants in Hyderabad, sir, like I've mentioned, sir, we already have treatment plants which is almost 735 MLD, sir. Sir, I have a list of treatment plants. Ambarpet mein we have 339 MLD capacity. Nagol mein 172 MLD. Atapur mein two plants we have, one is 51, another is 23. Peddacharu in Nacharam we have 10 MLD. Miralam tank we have 10 MLD. I can go on, sir. Almost 21 plants across the city of Hyderabad. All of them now accumulate almost total up to 735 MLD. Some of them are operated by HMDA. The reason being, the one in Necklace Road, which was mentioned by Danam Nagendra Saab, is being operated by HMDA because Hussain Sagar is under them. So we have given it to them. Patigadda is also being managed by HMDA. And also Rangdhamani Lake in Kukatpalli, which is an extended aeration of Hussain Sagar catchment, is also being operated by HMDA, sir. Other than this, every other STP is handled by HMWSSP. Now, sir, with respect to how many are functioning, आपने कहा कितने फंक्शन कर रहे हैं, मैं आपको आश्वासन देना चाहता हूं, यकीन देना चाहता हूं, इसमें से 100 के 100% हमारे रिकॉर्ड के हिसाब से, हमारे पास जो इंफॉर्मेशन है उसके हिसाब से काम तो कर रहे हैं. इससे पहले हमने ये भी रिव्यू किया था कि एनुअल मेंटेनेंस का एक बात था, जैसा आपने कहा 2-2 करोड़ खर्च किया जा रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा पैसा लग रहा है मेंटेनेंस पे, तो हमने उसका भी रिव्यू किया और हमने ये तय किया था कि इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग इट annual renewal, we have now decided to award, this work for a 5-year maintenance period so that the life cycle cost will come down and this will definitely help the government and also help the city. Sir, let me also go on record and say this. In fact, Akbar Saab has been saying repeatedly, he said subject to correction. I'm glad you said that because a couple of things I wanted to also put on record, sir. Sir, the entire city of Hyderabad today, sir, fortunately for us, because of the gravity, nearly 90% of the sewerage through 54 different nalas flows directly into Musi, sir. By gravity only it flows into Musi. That is the catchment area, sir. If we are able to treat all of this, sir, and even in treatment there are different levels, primary, secondary and tertiary. If we are able to treat our sewerage to tertiary level, then जो ख्वाब हमारा है सब कि मूसी को rejuvenate करना है with this treated water and also of course by linking it to Gandipet and Usman Sagar and making sure that we also have clean water and rainwater also flowing through this, that will also come alive. So the government is conscious. The government is conscious. We've sought a report. That report will come in December 2019. I'll be more than happy to share it with you, sir. What we propose, sir, is that with the existing capacity of 735, we are only catering to 40% of the city's needs. By 2021, we would like to enhance this through a PPP mode, sir. A lot of private sector players are coming forward to invest in sewage treatment plants. The government is working on a model. Hyderabad Metro Water Supply and Sewerage Board is also working on a model. We want to enhance this by at least another 700, sir, by 2021. And subsequently, by 2036, we want to ensure that the entire city is covered, including the growth that there will be, automatic growth, the natural growth that there will be, which is projected to be almost 3,000 MLD. So, all in all, the government does have a plan. We are working towards it. But yes, are there issues to be taken care of? Honorable Member Akbar Owaisi Saab has talked about COD and BOD and TDS. Yes, sir, we are very conscious. In untreated water, in untreated sewerage, the COD is obviously high. The BOD is also high. And also is the case with TDS. It is a fact what you have stated. And it is also a fact, sir. Typically what we do, sir, is the STP is located on the bank of Musi. Therefore, all the sewerage that flows through entire city and then comes to Musi is intercepted, diverted and treated and then released into Musi. We also have a plan now to go for decentralized sewage treatment plants, ताकि शहर हैदराबाद में भी कई जगह जैसे आपका मुर्की नाला है, वहां पे भी अगर एक STP वर्टिकली लगाया जाए तो मुर्की नाला में भी हम लोग कल साफ पानी देखने की एक उम्मीद रखते हैं. अब ये कहां तक उतर आएगा, कैसे होगा और कैसे इसको रियलिटी बनाना है, वो हम पे इट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन अस. सो आई एश्योर द ऑनरेबल मेंबर, आई एश्योर Akbar Owaisi Saab that we are fully conscious of the needs of the city of Hyderabad. And as Danam Nagendra Saab has pointed out, Necklace Road STP is very much functioning, sir, and if there are issues in Makta, ఏమన్నా ఇష్యూస్ ఉంటే మక్తాలో తప్పకుండా దాన్ని కూడా తీసుకుంటాం. 2019 డిసెంబర్లోనే ఈ రిపోర్ట్ కూడా వస్తా ఉన్నది. అక్బరుద్దీన్ ఓవైసీ గారు ఫ్యూచర్ నీడ్స్ గురించి కూడా అడిగారు అధ్యక్ష. కొత్త లేఅవుట్స్ కానీ అపార్ట్మెంట్ కాంప్లెక్సెస్ కానీ అక్కడ ఏం చేస్తా ఉన్నారని అడిగారు. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ఫ్యాక్ట్. Sewerage treatment, while we are processing 40% of city's sewerage, it is a fact that lot of sewerage treatment plants which have been mandated. In fact, large apartment complexes have been mandated to have their own sewerage treatment plants. New layouts have been mandated to have sewerage treatment plants. Unfortunately, जब बनाते हैं तो बना देते हैं, but उसका मेंटेनेंस जो है वो सोसाइटी को देखना पड़ता है. उस पर निगरानी करना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है. उसमें कहीं अगर कोई गैप है, कोई कमी है, उसको जरूर हम लोग फिर से एक बार देखभाल करेंगे. और एक बात भी आपसे कहना चाहता हूं, पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड भी इसका जिम्मेदारी लेती है. उनको भी इंस्पेक्ट करना है शहर हैदराबाद में कहां और बाकी शहरों में भी जहां भी एसटीपी है कि कैसे चल रहे हैं और उनका फंक्शनिंग ठीक ठाक है कि नहीं, ये भी देखना पड़ेगा. तो मैं आपको आश्वासन फिर से देता हूं सर कि वी विल एंश्योर दैट ऑल करंट एसटीपीज आर फंक्शनिंग एंड ऑल न्यू एसटीपीज एज आई हैव मेंशन्ड दैट वी प्लान टू बिल्ड इन द नेक्स्ट कपल ऑफ इयर्स एंड ऑल्सो सब्सिक्वेंटली वी विल बिल्ड, and we are awaiting the report of this Shah committee that we have, the consultant that we have constituted. And the other thing I also wanted to point out, sir, आपने कहा कि आज सीवरेज की ऐसी हालत है इसलिए डेंगू, मलेरिया, ये सारे हेल्थ हैजर्ड्स भी आ रहे हैं. मैं आपको एक और बात भी कहना चाहता हूं. HMWSSB in fact has taken it upon itself and has won several awards also, sir. We have completely taken out manual scavenging from Hyderabad. Today we have mini jetting machines. ऑलमोस्ट 200 मिनी जेटिंग मशीन है सब, 195 है. सुपर सकर करके एक नया मशीन हमने लाया. इसके वजह से आज क्या हुआ, पूरा मैनुअल स्कैवेंजिंग खत्म हो गया हैदराबाद शहर में. इसके अलावा आज हडको जैसी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कंपनी हमको बुला के इनोवेशन अवार्ड दे रही है HMWSSB को. और भी करना है, मैं जानता हूं, वाकिफ हूं कि और भी करना है. देयर इज ऑलवेज स्कोप फॉर इंप्रूवमेंट. बट आई एश्योर यू सर, अलॉन्ग विथ हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट फ्यूमिगेशन भी चालू है, एंटी लार्वल स्प्रे भी चालू है और इसके अलावा कैंपेन भी चालू है. घरों में जो आज फ्रेश वाटर पे डेंगू का जो मस्कीटो आज उभरता है उसको भी कंटेन करने की भी एक कैंपेन हमने चालू कर दिया. इसके अलावा जो भी हेल्थ मिनिस्टर साहब आज पूरा दौरा कर रहे हैं स्टेट की, वो भी वाकिफ है इस प्रॉब्लम के साथ. तो मैं फिर से आपको आश्वासन देता हूं, यकीन देना चाहता हूं, द गवर्नमेंट इज कॉग्निजेंट, कॉन्शियस ऑफ द नीड्स ऑफ द सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद एंड वी विल वर्क विथ यू इन इंश्योरिंग कंप्लीट सीवरेज ट्रीटमेंट इज डन. थैंक यू.
अब A1 टाउनशिप चिविला और मोइनाबाद के दरमियान मेन रोड से 1.3 किलोमीटर आबादी से लगा हुआ तमाम डेवलपमेंट के साथ जहां आप अपना घर बना के रह सकते हैं, जो है बिल्कुल 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 आबादी से लगा हुआ. 4 लाख में 100 गज का प्लॉट, ड्रेनेज, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, फुटपाथ, BT रोड, कॉलेज, बस स्टॉप जैसी तमाम सहूलियतें दस्तयाब हैं. आपका ये छोटा सा इन्वेस्टमेंट आपका और आपके बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल बदल सकता है। मजीद मालूमात के लिए हमें कॉल करें। एड्रेस पिलर नंबर 235 अपोजिट फिशर्स डिपार्टमेंट, राजेंद्र नगर, हैदराबाद। कॉन्टैक्ट 7799603838।
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो यहाँ पर रेड कलर का सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कीजिए, जिससे आपको ताज़ा अपडेट मिलती रहे।